reason for all of this, for every word that's been said. You promised you would come back home after 6 long months instead. I trusted you with all my heart, so I let you walk away. But in the end I clearly saw you forgot me anyway. Don't make promises you can't keep if you want my trust again. We had words we both agreed on, hoped we'd see them through till the end. I stood by you, I had your back for everything you tried. Just don't forget the vow we made, the promise deep inside. Why did you leave me all alone? You were the one who made me believe. You said we talk every night on WeChat, Skype, Facebook feeds. When I call, you're always busy. My fear keeps growing inside. Morning comes, the sun is up. Where did you go? Where did you hide? Don't make promises you can't keep if you want my trust again. We had words we both agreed on, hoped we'd see them through till the end. I stood by you, I had your back for everything you tried. Just don't forget the vow we made, the promise deep inside. I was honest, I swear it's true. God knows everything I do. Day and night I work so hard. You were my reason through and through. Your voice used to be my joy. Now the silence killing me. I miss you more than words can say. This pain won't set me free. The promise that I made to you, I kept it every day. You're living deep inside my heart. You'll always be that way. I'll marry you anywhere, any church, any place. I'll say the words and mean them all. Just look into my face.